Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set. Round we go. It's just for the happy birthday sentiment. We're going to be using embossing folders. This one here is Eyelet, a 3D embossing folder. We'll also be using the Dotted Circles 3D embossing folder, and this one is a big one. We're going to be using Designer Series paper, and since I'm almost down towards the bottom of my pack, I took these scraps here and cut them into 1/2-inch strips. This is the Countryside in Designer Series paper. Coordinating colors is Balmy Blue, Boho Blue, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy. So if you love blue, there you go. This is a beautiful pack of paper. Item number 161467. And like I said, I'm almost down to the end of this pack. I'll be needing a new pack. Look, I only got 2 more pieces of 12 by 12 and then the scraps. I love this paper, you guys. So 1/2-inch strips, and I chose the sides that I wanted to use. I am going to be doing that quilt card that we made during Christmas, or with the Christmas paper. I can't remember who I saw that video from initially. I mentioned it in that video, but yeah, I want to try. Oh, look, when I cut this piece of cardstock, it was fraying, or my blade from my paper cutter was not sharp, but it's changed now. This was just in my Night of Navy pack of paper, and I pulled it out since it was ready. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. This here is basic white. I have 2 pieces, one for the front, one for the inside, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is a 3 by 3 square. This is 4 pieces of 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch square, and these are scraps. I couldn't decide what size I needed, so I'm going to stamp both and see which one I like. This one here is 5/8 inch, and this one here is 3/4 inch. So let's see which one we like in that. And we can go ahead and actually stamp the greeting first before we begin anything else, because that's actually the only stamping we got. And it is a birthday card. So stamping in the center best as you can. This is a 3/4 inch. Here's a 5/8 inch. Did I say 5/8 earlier? It is 5/8 inch. This one here looks like it might be a better fit. If I can center. Yeah, looks pretty good, huh? What do you guys think? I think I like the 5/8 inch one. And you know what? Let me try and see if I can stamp it a little lower. We'll see. I don't know. Was there any difference? Though I think this side is a little lower, so I'll go with this side. And I think I like the 5/8 inch better. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked. Okay, we'll go ahead and score our, or crease our fold line here with the bone folder. Do you see what happened there when you crease it with the bone folder, pushing it down? The card lays flat. Go ahead, push this off to the side. I don't need that one, I need this. Grabbing my silicone craft sheet. The glue will not stick to this. And I will be taking 4 of these strips. Hopefully it's long enough. I didn't even test that. Barely, you guys, barely long enough. But it works, you guys, it works. Here we go. And if not, I'll cut this square a little smaller. That's what would have happened. Here, checking to see, did I even have 4 different prints here? And yes, I did. Are all of them long enough? Or do I have to cut it smaller? Yep, I have to go ahead and cut it smaller. So I will be right back. Guess what, guys? I did not get another piece. I was just thinking these are gonna actually cover up my corners, so I'm gonna try and make it work. But I did get a 3 1/4 piece square Night of Navy for my layering. But let's see how this works out, you guys. Okay, let me try this. I'm gonna put the longer piece down and only put glue here in the corner or one side, and then I am gonna line it up corner to corner. Best as I can, corner to corner. Yeah, holding it there just for a little bit, just so it gets a hold. See, I was even checking to see which side is which. But did I even decide which one I wanted next to it? I'll take this one and put it next to it. Oh no, here, I'll do this one. Yeah. This is a nice piece too. This is a nice long piece, you guys. So I'm butting it right up. And I'm only putting glue on this side. I'm not putting glue in the middle. Oh gosh, when I say that and then I see that I got glue in the middle there. But we'll see. It'll work. It'll work. We'll make it work. And this here. This is what I did last time. Is I just put glue over there. Closer to the corner. Corner to corner. Butt this one up right next to it. Just like that. I think it'll work, you guys. Okay. And then, as we did in the past, we left one down. Dropped it. Pick up the one we left down before you put your last piece. And there we have our crisscross, so that we can have a crisscrossing of all the pieces. Okay, and then I'm putting glue under here, coming across here, just so each piece touches the glue. Just like this. Okay. Oh, I didn't grab my paper snips. Let me go ahead and grab my paper snips. I have the one with the pink. I know that this one here has glue all over its blades. Been using a lot of glue lately. Turning it over, and then I'm going to be trimming off the designer series paper. Look, not much for me to trim. These are scraps in my paper pack. And you saw they weren't even long enough to go through the entire 3 by 3 square. I'll go right across it diagonally. Some of it are like 4 inches. So I guess this is longer than 4 inches diagonally. Okay, alarms was going off, so I cleared it, then got a little, forgot if I pressed stop or record or what, but we're back, Okay, here we go. We need the 3/4 inch squares now. Okay, and then I am gonna glue them in the corners. And watch this, you know where I didn't have enough? It's being covered up, you guys, covered up there. That's what I was thinking before I went and cut another piece of paper. I was like, it's gonna be covered up though, right? So let's try it. Even though it's a tiny bit short, it might still work, and I think it will. Okay, so going to the edge. I don't want to put too much. Remember last time when I did this, all the glue oozed out. Yes, I wasn't patient enough for it to dry and run it through the embossing folder. But maybe I had too much glue at that time. You know, a little goes a long way. You heard me say that before. Okay, so going ahead and putting it in the corner, and let's let this dry for a minute. While that's drying, I'm gonna take one of my layers, 4 by 5 1/4, and emboss that with my circle, dotted circles folder. I think we did use, you know, this folder in another video. Love this folder, all these circles. Trying to center it, just trying my best. Okay, and then my layers will be the number 1. Picking that up. Number 1. And these plates come with your die cutting machine. And a number 4. Because it is a 3D embossing folder. And it tells you here, with using 3D embossing folders, use 1. Your folder and cardstock, and number 4. I'll be back. Here we go. Let's see how that was. Love it. See that? Oh gosh, it's even stuck in there. Probably have glue. Okay, we're gonna do the eyelid embossing now. Hopefully this is done. I'm hoping this one here will actually look like a quilt with the eyelets. Yeah. Let's see. Putting it in, checking it out. Straight. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, that was the same sandwich for embossing folder with my project inside, or cardstock inside, and the number 1. We don't need this anymore. And we can put our card together. Let's do the inside first. Oh, you know what? Let's take one of this and line the inside. Here you go, guys. See, I told you, yeah, it was 4 inches. 1/2 inch by 4 inch. And I guess it's not long enough to go across the whole entire bottom. I mean, I'm putting this at the bottom, but not enough to go across the entire square diagonally, a 3 by 3. Okay. There we go. This can go inside the card. Pushing that down. Okay, and then this is going up here just like this. Don't you love that? So vibrant, so 3D. Oh my goodness. Adding so much texture to the front of this card. I might just make a card with just embossing and a greeting. I mean, take a look at it. Wouldn't it be awesome? Just that. Yeah, look, I had glue in the embossing folder. So one of the... Okay, this center on the... Oh yeah, you guys. Eyelet embossing folder. Look at that. How you like that? Can you see it? Let me get some dimensionals. Have some here. We're gonna put some. Now, you know what? No dimensionals on this, I think. So much dimension with the. What do you call? I don't know. Maybe too much dimension and too much texture on the white layer on the bottom, huh? It's taking away from this here. Yeah, I might have to try it without that there. Because look, I never even need dimensionals. Still love it. But I think, yeah, I like this one. I don't know. What do you think? I think I like this one, come to think of it. And I'm going to do a little, you know me, I like the little, I'm going to use this scissors. The little angle. How many of you like the little angle too? Oh, angle not about the same. Maybe just a little bit more straight there. There. Yeah, now dimensionals, yeah. Wait. I don't think need dimensionals this one. But I'll get out some, I'll get out my rhinestones. Sorry guys, was I recording there? I was saying I'll get out my rhinestone. Jeez, all this alarms going on in the morning. Here's my rhinestones, guys. And I'm just going to put the big one right in the middle, like last time. I like these big rhinestones right in the middle. So cute. And there we have it, guys. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I'm going to try it without embossing the bigger layer. Just so that this layer can outstand or be more outstanding. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back soon. Bye!